Greetings from Lilla, Gålö, this tiny sandy beach in the Gålö Nature Reserve, but in the Oxno area as such. It is 21st of July 2024, 6:30 p.m. and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris today on my beach day number 100 on my Sweden beach adventures. So I have been almost the whole day at Oxno, Klibat, beautiful rocks out on the Baltic Sea, on the open sea, and I really enjoyed my time. And now on the way back to catch the bus, I saw that I had a bit more time, so I opted to take a swim on this beach as well. And it's been a while since I took a swim here. I think it was 5 or 6 years ago. And currently there is nobody here on the beach. And so it is sandy beach as such, and there is green area as well. And close by there is even a camping. So it is currently 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured in the sea 20 degrees. So a bit warmer than on the open sea on the Oxno Klibat, where it was 18 degrees earlier today in most beautiful sun throughout the whole day. It started to be cloudy like half an hour ago only. And I see the water here doesn't look that great because it is actually not moving at all. But if you see further in there, on the way to the boats, it is a bit moving, so it's going to be clean over there. So here we have lots of algae material. The bottom here is sandy, but with a bit of hard sand mixed with small pebbles. So it's not super soft, but it's still very convenient. And yes, Lilla, Gålö, this is the beach. Yeah, there is even a port over here that is used by some of the local people. And looking at the water, here it is completely steady water, and I see there is movement over there, so I'm moving in towards there to swim. And yes, I can't believe I made 100 beach days today. It's been a blast so far, and I hope to make 100 more at least to beat last year's record, which is 200 beach days. So yes, okay, now we are coming into a bit more moving water, but I still feel lots of algae material on the top, but that should be fine. And here, as I walk in more, the bottom is a bit more soft and muddy that you will see in a bit when I go down and taking a swim. So yes, Lilla, Gålö on this 21st of July. This is located in Haninge, and to get here you need to take first the pendeltåg towards Haninge, and there you need to change a bus 845, which is not so often trafficked. It's only every 2 hours or so. And now is the last one, actually at 6:47 in 20 minutes. So let's then speed up my beach adventure here at Lilla, Gålö and take a swim together. Let's go! Woohoo! Another swim for today. So yes, it's amazing. Yeah, so it was very nice here in the water, and if you just move around with the arms, the algae is gone basically. So yeah, so that's a wrap from Lilla, Gålö, this beach in Haninge. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me on this my celebratory day number 100. And yes, I will see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.